Which OS is the true champion for hackers and security pros? This question echoes across forums and classrooms. It pits two security-focused operating systems against each other. Kali Linux, BlackArch. Kali is well-established and Debian-based, designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. BlackArch, built on Arch, is a penetration testing distribution with a colossal tool repo. Both are free, open source, and packed with utilities. They help you test, analyze, and secure digital environments. Pick right and you streamline your workflow. Pick wrong and you fight your OS. This guide cuts through noise, focusing on practical differences that impact daily use. Whether you're seasoned or just starting, the best OS is the one that matches your skills and goals. Let's equip you to choose your digital weapon wisely and use it ethically. Every great operating system has a story and a philosophy. Kali launched in 2013, successor to Backtrack, maintained by Offensive Security. Its mission: a polished, stable, enterprise-ready platform for pen testers and students. Debian roots deliver robust, thoroughly tested packages. BlackArch began as an Arch user repo and grew into a full distribution. It embodies the Arch way: user-centric, simple code, and cutting-edge rolling releases. BlackArch aims for maximal tools on a lean, customizable base, not beginner-friendly. Kali is ready on day one. BlackArch rewards those who build from the ground up. In security distros, the toolset is the main event. Kali ships 600+ carefully vetted tools across all major categories, from recon and vulnerability analysis to web, cracking, wireless, exploitation, forensics, and reporting. BlackArch offers 2,800+ tools, including obscure and bleeding-edge utilities. If it runs on Linux, there's a good chance it's in BlackArch's repo. Kali emphasizes discoverability via clean menus. BlackArch expects you know what to install. BlackArch workflows lean on Pacman and command line searches for precision. Your first touchpoint is install. Kali is graphical and guided. BlackArch is text first and expects expertise. Kali offers live ISOs and VM images. Easy to try, easy to teach. Many install BlackArch on top of Arch for full control over components. Kali's polished GNOME versus BlackArch's lightweight WMs, or terminal only. Kali works out of the box. BlackArch needs post-install tuning. Kali uses APT from Debian, stable with strong dependency handling. BlackArch uses Pacman, fast, simple, and bleeding edge. Kali prioritizes stability. BlackArch prioritizes immediacy of features, fixes, and patches. Rolling releases can break. Expect to troubleshoot on BlackArch. Kali's controlled updates make it a toolkit you can trust mid-engagement. BlackArch rewards hands-on users who read announcements and maintain their systems. BlackArch can be leaner and faster. Kali's defaults are heavier but optimized. Kali Lite, XFCE, trims resources and runs great on modest hardware. BlackArch often has newer kernels, handy for brand new hardware. Kali leans slightly older, thoroughly tested builds. Both support most hardware well. Choose based on how minimal or polished you want the stack. Kali's adoption means endless tutorials, forum threads, docs, and videos. Offensive Security maintains comprehensive, beginner-friendly documentation. BlackArch's smaller community skews expert, helpful, but expects prior research. The ethos: read the manual, expect dense, technical guides. Kali welcomes beginners. BlackArch empowers experts. Kali is ideal for beginners and students learning cybersecurity. It's also for pros who need stable, standardized tools. Now, BlackArch targets seasoned Linux users comfortable with Arch. If you love building your environment, BlackArch delivers granular control. Its massive repository favors researchers hunting specialized tooling. Minimal BlackArch builds are light and fast. Kali GNOME is heavier. Kali XFCE narrows the gap. BlackArch's newer kernel helps with brand new hardware. Kali favors tested stability. Use these systems legally and ethically. Tools can cause damage. Always get explicit, written permission before testing. Practice safely in isolated VMs and controlled labs. Install each in a VM, explore interfaces, run a few tools, and feel the workflow. Be honest about your skills and needs, convenience or control. Kali. Ease, polish, stability. BlackArch. Control, breadth, bleeding edge. Beginners and busy pros. Kali. Linux enthusiasts and researchers. BlackArch. Need ultra lean? BlackArch minimal. Want plug and play? Kali. Try XFCE if needed. Kali's community guides you. BlackArch expects you to dig. Permission, isolation, responsibility, always. Now, your clear, practical verdict. Let's keep it simple and actionable. The choice isn't about absolute better, it's about fit. Choose Kali if you want the fastest path to work or learning. Easy install, polished UX, curated stable tools, massive tutorials. Choose BlackArch if you want precision control. Arch workflows, huge repo, bleeding edge updates, and you'll maintain it. Still unsure? Spin both in VMs, run a handful of tasks, and pick what feels natural. Your workflow, hardware, and comfort level decide it. Master your tools, act ethically, and keep learning, whichever OS you choose.